We can use the erase area function to delete the content inside a region of the drawing. For this, we click on the erase area icon to activate the function. Now we have to mark the 4 points of the area. Each point will be the corner of the region. So I click to indicate the shape of a rectangle using the orthogonality, and after the 4th click, Dibac will delete the content inside the region. If I try to draw the erase area without enclosing the whole window in the region, the function will not delete it. This is because the function will only delete blocks, joineries and other entities when those objects are completely inside the region. Only the drawing elements such as walls, lines, polygons, etc. will be deleted at the exact boundary of the erase area. As you can see, if I now include the window in the region, it will be deleted after clicking the 4th corner.